Communities in Igbo land are linked with one culture or the other which identifies the people's way of life. To this end, the people of Ugbo in Ogo Council area of Enugu State recently demonstrated a rite of an age-long tradition known as Aju Festival. This culture is performed every 3 years in Ugbo community to mark the transition of young men between the ages of 19 and 23 to adulthood. Popularly called Iwuọha, the festival is regarded as the most cherished and respected tradition in the life of every Ugbo man.
I'm no more inside. I'm now a responsible man. Yeah. I'm a responsible man. I can bear any consequences of anything I want.
Initiated in 1982, the Deputy Minority Leader, Federal House of Representatives, as well as an indigene of Ugbo, Chief Tobi Okechukwu, recalled that the cultural traits was inherited from their forefathers to nurture the youths of Ugbo land.
When you celebrate your age grade, it is expected that you begin to contribute to the Commonwealth by way of paying dues, by way of you are now authorized to marry, you now can do what men do.
The Enugu State Governor Ephraim, who was represented at the event, extolled the rich cultural heritage of Ugbo community and urged them to sustain the ancestral legacy. In his remarks, the former Deputy President of the Senate, Ike Ekweremadu, commended the rich culture that creates sanctity among young men in Ugbo Kingdom. Earlier, the chairman of the occasion, Ogechukwu Udara, and National Publicity Secretary Ohalete Worldwide, Alex Obonia, acknowledged the role of culture in promoting peace.
We came to find our Aju Festival already in existence. Our duty is to continue to sustain it because of the inherent advantages in the Aju Festival.
Over 500 young men from Ugbo Nabo, Ugbo Okpara, and Ngenugbo participated in this year's Aju Festival.